YouTube has over 2.5 billion monthly active users. With that being said, there has never been a better time to start a YouTube channel. In this video, I'll go over 5 reasons why you might want to start a YouTube channel, my journey, my YouTube statistics, including how I got 100,000 views on a video I made on my iPhone 5 years ago, and 8 tips to be successful on YouTube. Number 1, share your passion. If you have a particular topic or subject that you're passionate about, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to share your enthusiasm with others who share the same interest. Number 2, build an audience. YouTube has over 2.5 billion monthly active users, which means there's a huge potential audience for your content. By creating high-quality videos that people enjoy watching, you'll build a following of loyal fans who will keep coming back for more. Number 3, make money. While making money shouldn't be the only reason to start a YouTube channel, it's worth noting that many successful YouTubers are able to monetize their channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. If you're able to build a large enough audience, you could earn a full-time income from your channel. Number 4, develop new skills. Creating videos for YouTube requires a range of skills, including writing, filming, editing, and marketing. By starting a YouTube channel, you'll have the opportunity to develop and hone these skills, which could be valuable in a variety of other contexts. Hey, real quick, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch till the end of the video to hear the most valuable tips for starting your channel. Number 5, and most importantly, have fun with it. Finally, starting a YouTube channel can be a lot of fun. Whether you're making comedy sketches, how-to videos, or vlogs about your daily life, creating content for YouTube allows you to express your creativity and connect with others who share your interests. So let's talk about my journey here on YouTube. I posted my first video on December 31st of 2017. That's the same time that I quit my full-time job and decided to pursue full-time trading. At the time, I had a strong passion and interest for crypto, so my content was mostly based around crypto and day trading. I was extremely inconsistent with posting, so it kind of was a missed opportunity, but at the same time, I got to experience a lot of different things. I successfully became a full-time trader during this time, and now I'm more laser focused on growing my personal brand to impact as many people as possible. So my content has led to different opportunities, including financial consulting, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and graphic design. I'm really excited for what's to come with my content, so definitely subscribe if you're not already. Speaking of my YouTube journey, let's dive right into my YouTube statistics. So as you can see here, I've amassed 220,000 views, 7.2K hours of watch time, and 1,000 subscribers. You guys can see this big jump here of me consistently posting since the beginning of this year, now that I'm taking it really seriously. Some of these views are from shorts, so keep that in mind. But since I've been uploading more consistently since the 11th of January, so a little over 2 months, I've amassed 30,000 views, or 29,000 views, 730 watch time hours, and 241 subscriptions. So you can see they're all kind of correlated: watch time, views, subscribers. You can see that one of my old videos that I posted 5 years ago hit SEO really well. It still gets views to this day, and I had a couple old videos that still get views to this day. So you can see here that it had a 500,000 impressions, 15% click-through rate, which is really strong. And it really was not a high quality video. All I did was optimize my video for search. I knew a lot of people back then were searching for how to get Wi-Fi on a plane. I made a good thumbnail to go with it. And bam, this is the video that came out of it. So 160 subscribers just from this one video alone. It still pulls me views to this day. And if we take a look at my channel right now, you can see that I'm really focused on uploading fairly consistently, but I've slowed down with the uploads to increase the quality of content as much as I can. Now it's time to get into my top 8 tips to start a successful YouTube channel. Number 1, pick a niche that you find interesting. For example, I really enjoy personal finance and AI content, but you might enjoy cooking, sports, gaming, or many other things. If you pick a niche that you're interested in, this will lead to a lot less burnout, and you're going to have way more motivation to actually upload high quality videos. Number 2, invest in equipment. You don't need the latest and greatest or to spend $2,000 or $5,000 on Amazon to get the highest quality camera, microphone, and editing software. But if you do invest in a decent camera, microphone, and editing software, it will set your production level a step above of everyone else. But if you're not willing to spend any money, definitely don't let that hold you back. You can 100% get started with just your iPhone alone. Number 3, create engaging content. You should be strategically creating content appropriate to what your channel is based on. If you are a lifestyle, channel, then you would be uploading vlogs. If you're a tech channel, then maybe you're uploading reviews. If you're a film channel, then maybe you're uploading tutorials. These are different things that you have to think about your content and how engaging it's going to be for your potential audience. Number 4, optimize for search. You can do this by looking for videos with high search volume and low competition. A great tool that you can use is called vidIQ. This is something I use when I upload every single time to try to see what is the best video to make and how exactly do I title it. So you can see with how to start a YouTube channel in 2023, the search volume isn't super high, it's medium, but the competition is low, giving it a 60 overall score, which is pretty awesome. The higher the score, the better. So if we just search something generic, like let's say ChatGPT, we're going to see that the search volume is insanely high and the competition is fairly high too. Because we have such a high search volume, bam, we're going to have a decent overall score. So if we're going to say how to edit in Adobe Premiere Pro, just to give you guys one more example here, you can see the search volume is really low, competition is kind of high. So I probably wouldn't make a video on this because overall score is 42. So be very strategic about what you're uploading and use these statistics to your advantage. Number 5, be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. Whether it's twice a week or once a month, if you have a consistent upload schedule, the viewers are going to know when to expect new content for you, and the algorithm is going to push you a lot more. Number 6, engage with your audience. This one is extremely crucial, especially when you're first building your channel. What you want to do is be responding to comments. You want to ask for feedback, maybe start a Discord, post community posts, do a Q&A live stream, and really just do anything to connect more with your viewers, as this is going to make you feel more relatable and you're going to be more personable with each and every viewer that you get. Number 7, promote your channel. This is one that a lot of people get afraid of. They're like, I don't want to cross promote and spam links everywhere. But the best way to get traffic onto YouTube, especially when you're first starting, is 1, obviously hitting the search, but 2 is getting it from external platforms. So you can repost your videos on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, Twitter. You can talk about it on Twitch when you're live streaming. I currently do all these when it comes to reposting my videos, because even if it gets me a couple extra views, that's going to help a lot. You can also start a newsletter for your audience. You can have this to be free in the beginning. So if you have a free newsletter, you're going to kind of grow an email list, which you could even market to other things to those people later. And then finally, I think the strongest, most underrated promotion is word of mouth / family and friends. So when you tell your family and friends about your content, you're telling one person about your content, but that person might tell one person and that person might tell another person. So it's kind of this snowball effect that you get when you tell people about your content and they really enjoy it. They might share it with someone else. So never be afraid to share your content with your family and friends. Don't be embarrassed, as this is a way that many people get started. Number 8, and most importantly, use ChatGPT and AI technology. Currently, I use ChatGPT on a day-to-day basis to help me with my content. I use it for things like planning my content calendar, writing scripts, helping with thumbnails, helping with video ideas, and so much more. ChatGPT can help you with some of the previous tips I've mentioned, like finding a niche and defining your target audience. Since it's an AI chatbot, it should be able to boost your productivity so you're able to pump out a lot more content. So as you can see here, I even used it to help write the script for this video, and it gave me a lot of great information, and I was able to use this as a template to help write the whole script for this entire video. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step in your YouTube journey and see where it takes you. Make sure to click this video on screen now to learn how to use the king of all ChatGPT prompts.